Your mortgage guy Brian here with some more great information to help you through the mortgage process. Now in my last video, I talked about the pros of an FHA mortgage. Today, I want to address the cons. Now let's first remind people what an FHA mortgage is. It's a mortgage that's backed by the Federal Housing Administration and HUD. Now this is different than a conventional mortgage that is backed by private investors. So what are some reasons that people might be hesitant to enter into an FHA mortgage? The first one is that if you're looking to buy a condo, chances are that condo is not going to be pre-approved for an FHA mortgage. Now this shouldn't be an obstacle or prevent you from buying that condo because many will allow what's called a single unit approval. Now this is possible to accomplish as long as everybody is on the same page during the purchasing process. You'll need the cooperation of the buyer, the seller, the realtors, and the lenders. And this is something that can be easily accomplished. Another barrier is the idea of mortgage insurance. Now, if you're not familiar with what mortgage insurance is, it's a fee that is charged by an investor when you have limited equity in a property. Now, over time in a conventional mortgage, that insurance premium will fall off, either after a certain amount of years or when you've gained enough equity. However, in an FHA mortgage, that insurance premium is going to last the life of the loan. Now again, don't let this be a barrier to entry because over time, as you get more income, as you increase your credit scores, as you gain more equity, there are going to be opportunities to refinance into a conventional mortgage. Another reason why an FHA mortgage is a great possibility for a first-time home buyer. Finally, there are stricter loan limits when it comes to an FHA mortgage. In 2022, in Cook County, Illinois, the conventional loan limit was $647,200. For that same time period, the FHA mortgage had a max loan limit of $420,680. That is a difference in over $200,000. Meaning that if you're looking to use an FHA mortgage to purchase a home, you either have to go to a lower price point or be willing to put more money down up front. Now I know these barriers can seem scary and might push a lot of people away from an FHA mortgage, but let's remember, what are some of the pros? One, you can put down as little as 3.5% on an FHA mortgage. Most conventional mortgages will require up to 5% in down payment. Second one is that FHA mortgages offer more competitive rates, sometimes as much as 0.5% lower than their conventional mortgage counterpart. And finally, FHA mortgages are more lenient to borrowers, allowing for lower credit scores and higher debt-to-income ratios. So for these reasons, FHA mortgages are fantastic opportunities for first-time home buyers. Now, if you have any questions about this information or anything else, make sure to leave a comment down below so I can get back to you. And make sure to subscribe to this channel or follow me on Instagram at yourmgbrian to get content information whenever I put out a new video. Also, make sure to ask any questions to help me come up with some future video content.